Welcome to the Ultimate Fitness Tracker tutorial. I am absolutely thrilled to share this comprehensive spreadsheet with you that will transform how you track and achieve your fitness goals. Before we dive into the exciting features, there are a few critical things that you need to know to get the most out of your Ultimate Fitness Tracker. If you're using Google Sheets, you have to create a copy of the file onto your Google Drive first by simply logging into your Google account, opening the file menu, and selecting Make a Copy. If you're using the Excel version, you can start customizing right away. One important thing to note is when filling out the tracker is that you only enter data in white cells. If a cell is filled with any color, that means it contains a formula that automatically calculates your data, and if you overwrite that formula, the tracker will not work correctly. The tracker is also designed to work within a calendar year, so when you're setting your goals, make sure your target date falls within the current year. Don't worry though, at the end of the year, you can easily copy the tracker, update your starting information with your current metrics, and set new goals for the following year. To start filling out the tracker, head to the Setup tab and enter all of your starting metrics. First, you're going to select your measurement system. Choose between pounds or kilograms based on your preference. Then enter your height in inches and your starting weight. This tracker will automatically calculate your starting BMI, which gives you a baseline to measure your progress against. Next, enter your goals. You'll enter your goal weight and then select your target date for achieving this goal. After that, enter your daily calorie goal and your daily step goal. Once you've set your goals, enter all of your favorite fitness activities. For example, yoga, Pilates, lifting, walking, or any other activity that you like to do that gets you moving. Finally, enter the current year so that the tracker knows the correct dates to pull into your monthly tabs. Now that you've set up your tracker, it's time to fill out the monthly tabs. Each month has its own dedicated tab where you're going to track your daily fitness activities, calories, weight, and sleep patterns. Each day, you'll enter your fitness activity from the list you created in the Setup tab, your total active minutes for the day, and your total daily steps. Next, you'll enter your daily calorie intake and the calories you burned through exercise. The tracker automatically calculates whether you're on track to hit your calorie goal or not. If you're under your calorie goal, the total will stay green, and if you're over your calorie goal, the cell will turn red. Next, enter your weight to track progress towards your goal. For weight tracking, you don't have to weigh yourself every single day. If you don't want to, you could do this once or twice a week. Whatever works best for you, as long as you enter your starting and ending weight for the month. Finally, you'll enter your sleep by entering the time you go to bed and the time you wake up, and the tracker automatically calculates your total hours of sleep. Getting those 8 hours every night is so important for recovery, energy levels, and achieving your fitness goals. At the top of each monthly tab, a milestone summary bar automatically calculates monthly insights, including total weight loss, lowest weight achieved, steps taken, daily step records, and so on. Last but not least, each monthly tab includes a dashboard that visualizes your progress. The top chart visualizes your sleep patterns, the middle chart visualizes calorie intake compared to your goal, and the bottom chart visualizes daily steps against your step goal. Last but certainly not least, we have the annual dashboard tab that automatically summarizes your entire fitness journey and shows exactly how close you are to completing your fitness goals. You don't need to enter any information or make any edits on this tab. It automatically pulls data from each monthly tab and updates as you enter your fitness information throughout the year. On the left side of the dashboard, you have a weight summary by month and an activity summary by month. In the middle, there's a dashboard that shows exactly how you're tracking against your target weight loss on the top and a monthly activity summary chart on the bottom. Over on the right side, you have a goal progress summary that shows you exactly how close you are to achieving your weight goal, an annual milestone summary that automatically pulls in your yearly achievements and the date you accomplished them, and last but not least, a top tier month section that identifies the months where you achieve the most weight loss, sleep, active minutes, and steps. If you haven't grabbed your tracker yet and want to start achieving all your goals, check out the link in the description below for a discount.